Alright, last video of the day, let's check out Bitcoin. So in the last video I outlined that I did somewhat expect a move like this, which was going to be a retracement of the this resistance, which I said would hopefully flip support. You can see that this resistance has been in place since the 20th of October, so I mean, so far it does seem like we're kind of breaking below it. In my opinion, I did say in these previous videos that we would bounce from here and be off to the races, so I mean technically I was somewhat wrong on this, but in the past day or so we have had news of obviously Russia and Ukraine, and it does seem like it's escalating, so that has had a profoundly bad impact on all of the markets. You can see that we've got good selling volume coming in, even the total crypto market cap has dumped. The SPY on this news has had a huge dump, so I mean technical analysis can only tell you so much. You know, you can't predict everything that's going to happen. I can't predict what's going to happen in the news tomorrow, so unfortunately we did have a lot of selling volume come into the SPY, a 2.3% dump, which obviously means jack all to us crypto traders, but to stock traders 2.3% is like, you know, they're screaming, they're pulling their hairs out. Peter Schiff is getting out of bed for like the 1.7% move. So I mean, all in all, we really need to get above this green trend line. Also, I'd say worst case scenario, we kind of need to hold the 40,000. It is possible, like I outlined, that we do something like this, lose it, and then come back and break above it on the second try. If you're wondering where the 40,000 is from, if I zoom out, you can see that this, where is it from? Sorry, let me find where the 40,000 is from. This is the problem of having so many fibs, and then you end up deleting them, and you wonder where the hell you got all these targets from. So from low to high here, I don't see the 40,000. I honestly don't remember whereabouts I put this 40,000 in. You can obviously see 40,000 somewhat lines up with this previous high, or the previous part before we dumped into this low. So I mean 40,000 is a psychological level, but I'm a little bit stumped as to where I pulled this target from. So I mean, I've had this on my chart for ages, so I must have to go and watch my previous videos to find out where I had 40,000 from. So obviously we've got the 618 from here, and yeah, for the life of me I can't figure out where I've got the 40,000 from. So obviously we'll just stick with 40,000 as a psychological level. If we do lose 40,000, then I do see us at least backtesting these lows, and if I'm honest, I do see us making new lows, potentially down to 28,700. This is obviously the predicted target of this bull flag, which or bear flag, that did not play out. So if you wanted a more backed up target, you could look at the 31,400, which is the 618 of this move. But yeah, honestly, I have no idea where that 618 came from. But all in all, keep an eye on this trend line and the Super Bowl tomorrow. The Super Bowl is meant to be good for Bitcoin because there are a lot of crypto exchanges playing Bitcoin ads and cryptocurrency related ads, and I was of the opinion that the exchanges would be buying up Bitcoin before the ads release. Otherwise it is kind of counterintuitive to be playing millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin ads while the price is dumping. So yeah, all in all, I think if we turn up now at 41,800, then we would be very bullish going into tomorrow. If we do need a little bit more time and we do come down to potentially 40,000, then that would be my max pain level before we fall off the table and start making new lows. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Bitcoin right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.